from Northwest Samar State University, taking up Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering.
And we are here to present to you our project in completion for our final term in Arts and Appreciation.
Under the conductory of Mr. J. Zeus Saliwan. Ngayon po ay makikilala natin ang iba't ibang klase ng mga artist such as theater artist,
Dance artist,
music artist, at as simple as artist. Kasama na ang iba't ibang obra maestra na kanilang pinagmamalaki.
oo partner, at hindi lang yan, makakasama pa natin sila sa ating interview tungkol sa kanilang profesyon at kung bakit they love doing it.
Wow! It's gonna be exciting, partner! Do you wanna know who are they? So, sino nga ba sila mga partner?
Yes, partner, and one of them is Mr. Aristol Torres, and he is an artist.
Wow! Another is Mr. Jenny Puceno, a theater artist before and now a director of a certain theater group.
J.D. Pomoceno, is he your brother, right?
Absolutely!
Ang talented niyo talaga. Also, si Trevor Baca, a lead guitarist of a certain band.
And lastly, Miss Rhea Lengo, a dance member of a dance group. At ngayon, para mas makilala pa natin sila,
Just relax. Sit back and
Mr. Aristol Torres is an artist. He is a graduate from TTMIST, and after that, he immediately proceed with his profession as an artist. He competed in many different art competitions around the Philippines, and in the same time, he is a barangay councilor in Barangay Capoocan.
so hello everyone, hello. As what we've said, we are here with Tito Ares and we will going to have an interview with him pertaining to his profession as an artist. So, hello Tito Ares.
Hello, good day.
Good day.
Here's Tito Ares. So partner, have you a question?
So, why you choose painting as your profession?
As a profession,
It's actually an inner talent of an artist.
So it's
Tinatawag-
already given.
Tinatawag namin
gift of God.
Oh, yes, oh.
as a profession, kami ini-stake namin o talagang pinagpapatuloy namin ang inumpisa ng mga sikat ng mga artist gaya ni Da Vinci, Michelangelo.
So, hindi mo ito ipatuloy kasi isa na ito sa mga kultura sa buong mundo kung kailangan i-adapt doon sa mga bata.
Wala kasi meron tayong Arts and Culture Office. So kami naman bilang pintor, binibigyan namin halaga kung ano man ang binigay sa amin ng may kapal. Na para ipakilala kung ano ang ating wari-wari Arts and Culture.
So yun parang yung not because nandito ang talent ko kaya pinili ko as a profession. As what you've said Tito, you choose this because it is in your heart na para hindi mamatay ang kultura ng art. Para kung ano ang na-adapt mo, ituturo mo din sa mga new generations.
O kailangan talagang ituro kasi hindi naman akong buhay na nandito kami sa mundo.
So kailangan as an artist, meron ng advocacy doon sa mga kabataan, sa mga children, lalo doon sa mga talent. Kasi
Yun ang isa sa palatandaan na mayroon siyang gifted talent o born talent as a visual artist.
So yun po. So may ba tayo na to? Ano po ba yung feeling pag the moment you paint tapos yung pinipinta mo is kagayang-kagaya ng naiisip mo, yung parang oh, ito yung iniisip ko. Tama ang lumalabas na output sa naisip ko. So yun.
ang term niyan is how to conceptualize your paintings.
Diretso dun talagang makatch mo doon sa iniisip mo. Kasi minsan merong artist talaga na before ka sumali sa competition o tinatawag namin opera, kailangan pag-isipan ng matagal, lalo na pag sinasabi mo opera maestra, tawag sa ang concept. Kasi lalo na kung meron kang gusto ipaiwatik doon sa mga tao na pwede mong ipakita sa kanila kung ibig sabihin ng painting mo.
Kasi pag sa art, wide masyado yung
Wide.
thought na nilalagay.
At saka kung gusto mong meron kang ilaan ng mga message na gusto mong isabi sa kanila kahit hindi na sa bibig. Sa painting pa lang, makikita na nila kung anong ibig sabihin ng artist. Kaya yun sa tanong mo, kailangan talagang pag-isipan. Na pagdating ng point na matapos yung painting, ikaw talagang masabi na perfect yung gawa mo. So,
Yun. How about dito if some people give their compliments sa'yo, yung parang pag nakita ka nila, wow, Tito Aris, wow, Mr. Aristol, ikaw yung magaling na artist, ang galing mo, idol kita. So, ano feeling nila? Wow, maraming nag-appreciate sa output ko.
Inaasahan mo naman palagi yan. Lalo na kung nanalo ka sa competition.
talo ng nasyonal, kaya namin sa Calvayo, matikin na rin kami ng national level, nagkaroon na kami ng national award. Pagdating mo ng Calvayo, siyempre, lalagyan ka ng interview ka sa radyo, lalagyan ka ng tarpaulin, streaming, tapos maraming kunin kang judges sa malaking mga competitions, lalo sa Calvayo. Sumasali ka dito sa Calvayo, tapos inikita ka ng iba't ibang arts and culture establishment sa Manila, sa CCT, sa CC. So, nakikita nila at naririnig nila na mayroon kami pinagmamalaki. So, yung city government, palagi kang pinapangalanan, appreciate mga tao, mga bata. So, palaging may mag-appreciate o may magdadayo sa waray. Kaya, expected mo na yun. Ang ano lang din, huwag lumaki ang ulo.
Yun.
So, yun po.
Sir, we have the last but not the least question.
Oh, last na? Hindi pa ako.
So, how art became important in your life?
Very, very important. Kasi sabi ko nga, born ito sa akin. Kasi dapat, kung ano ang binigay sa iyo ng Diyos, lahat naman dapat pagyamanin. Lalo na ang art. Kasi ilan lang, sa out of 10 siguro sa isang room, meron siguro dalawa isang artist. Sa mundo, ilan lang ang binigyan ng ganitong talento. Kaya mapalad tayo, lalo na kayo, mga picture artist. Mapalad tayo na binigyan tayo ng ganito. Kaya huwag natin sayangin. Yung iba nga, yung mga frustrated artist, tamo, nandun sa Ricto. Anong ginagawa nila? Nagpipiki ng mga diploma, gumagawa ng mga iba't ibang kalukuhan. Kasi hindi nila ma-achieve yung goal nila na makatapos dahil sa kahirapan. Pero marami namang mga pwedeng paraan na pwede silang sumikat kahit hindi sila graduate. Marami kami kasama ngayon, mga out of school youth, pero pumapalo sa ere. Kasi sa national lang, kasi tinutulungan din ng mga grupo.
Talagang i-enhance lang.
I-enhance lang, tapos pagyamanin mo, kahit wala kang pinag-aralan. Pwede ka naman, wala naman sinabing college level or kuhan. Basta sumali ka sa competition, merong open sa lahat, kahit hindi ka graduate or hindi ka nag-aaral. Basta yung talento mo, pakita mo. Patunayan mo na mas magaling ka sa kanila. So, yun ang the best. Kahit nakapag-aral sila, ikaw pa rin nanalo. Huwag gamitin sa masama.
So, it's a matter of having an enhancement before yourself.
Kasi walang tamad na artist. Tamad na lang yung hindi kumikita.
So, I think we've got something more from Tito Aris, and I know you learned a lot from him. So, that's all. Thank you so much for listening. Once again, Tito Aris, our
Watching.
artist. Thank you for watching.
Thanks, sir. Oh, that was so great! Sana mas kasing galing ko rin siya.
Don't worry, magaling ka rin naman, di ba?
Hindi, ayos lang lang. So what's next?
Since we're done with the artist, Now let's proceed to the theater artist. And that is
Janie Ponce. Ginny Pomoceno is an actor and a director of a Caris Theater Art Group. He is a fresh graduate from Northwest Summer State University in Bachelor of Science in Secondary Education. And now, he is a teacher in St. Augustine International School. In spite of being busy as a teacher, he still have time to act and direct for their presentation.
Here we are again, but as of this moment, we are with Jamie Pumuseno, and he is my kuya. Very obvious reason, we are here to interview him about theater. So, good day, Kuya Jay.
Good day, Namjin and my bro, Adam.
So,
Thank you
hindi na
for
na-
letting me here.
You're
Okay.
So, hindi na natin pa tatagalin pa. I think my partner has a question.
Yeah. Why did you choose to indulge in theater?
I choose to indulge theater because I love acting and I really love to portray some role
Parang
like
nagtama ka pala.
like being a bad guy,
Oh, it could be.
being gay sometimes, and such any role or character. That's it.
Okay. Actually, Kuya is director of Caris Theater Team.
Yes.
And that is a drama team, and sometimes they present, and majority of the presentation is pertaining about those kadramas sa life. So,
Yeah.
that's it. And at the same time, he's a teacher in St. Augustine International School. Another question, Kuya, how does it feel when you know that the way you act is effective?
The feeling of happiness is still in happiness because in doing some such acting you need to really see to it that the way you act is really from your heart.
Oh.
Because sometimes other actors and actresses, they are just doing it because of someone tell them, someone ask them to do this one. But for me, as also a teacher and as the one who believe God, I really see to it that the one I portray is for let the people know what is the acting all about and to let them change.
So,
Yeah.
kasi pag na-deliver mo ng maayos yung acting mo na gano'n, parang, so sabi mo nga, happy, there's
Yeah.
happiness in you.
Kasi ang hirap kasi noon kung nag-acting ka lang na mababa lang.
So you have to act.
Di ba may sinasabi sa theater, give everything, do everything, and portray your character. Change yourself from the character given to you.
Okay, so
That's it.
that's it.
Oh, the third question is, what pressure do you feel when people
Gives. Give their compliments. Oh, parang gano'n. Okay.
The first thing I can come to my mind is grateful. I'm very grateful with that certain acting I'm doing and certain drama I am showing to other people through their smile and sometimes the sound of
Siyempre,
wow,
yes.
that's the
Oh.
very first thing a director and actor want to hear from the audience.
Parang nakakagaan ng loob.
A total audience impact. That's the
Oh,
way
yeah,
you
that's-
are looking for the audience. Because sometimes, if like what I said a while ago, if you're just acting just only because of just a simple thing, nothing happens. But if you act wholeheartedly and everything you want, everything you have is showed in that particular drama, honestly, people will be happy and people will gonna give you a round of applause.
Yeah.
Sometimes, what always wants of the one who acts is a standing ovation. That's it.
Lastly, what value in life can you tell in terms of theater?
Very first thing, value, when I start, be true to yourself. And in acting, you can portray any role you want. You can change your character anytime you want. But in a true to life situation, you need to be real. You need to be true because people will be happy on what you are, not to what role you are just acting. Because people will we're going to say you are impacting something to my life because you are here.
Yeah, this is so
Be
parang
real.
Be true to yourself.
Yes.
Parang with that statement. So,
Exactly.
I think we're done. Maraming salamat Kuya Jay.
Thank you for now, Jane and Adam.
Salamat,
Thank you for
salamat.
having me here.
So,
Thank
that's
you.
all about theater. Thank you.
So that's Kuya Jay.
Our theater artist.
Yes, you know partner, magaling talaga si Kuya pagdating sa mga theater art.
Oo nga, biro mo. From being just a simple actor, ngayon ay director pa.
Oo nga.
So well, ano naman ang talent mo, partner?
Ako, talent. Don't you know that I am a music lover and I know how to play drums?
Yeah, alam ko. So, but speaking of music, here
Here
is
is Isidro Rabaca. Isidro Rabaca is a musician. In fact, he knows how to use guitar, bass guitar, drums, organ, and even in singing. But now, he is the lead guitarist of Arete Band. He is now studying in Northwest Summer State University as an electrical engineering student. He is a very good musician because he can easily imitate every music that he is listening.
So, good day everyone. We are here with Isidro because we will going to have some interview with him as what we've said.
So, hello Isidro. Hello naman. Hello. So, I know partner, you're excited to ask him something. So, just give him your question.
So, Mr. Rabaca, why you choose to engage in music?
Sa totoo lang, parang hindi ko rin naman siya choice. Kasi sa pamilya namin, music is some sort of language na namin from my aunts.
So, given na sa inyo na sa blood ninyo na you are musicians.
Yeah, parang ganun.
Tapos,
Yun na, parang mula nung bata ako, medyo kumakanta ng konti, tapos biglang napagtripan ko yung gitara namin. So I tried to learn how to play guitar. And yun na, dire-diretso.
so yun. So, parang pwede nating sabihin na no choice because it's given to you already. Parang ganun na yun, di ba?
And my next question is this. Anong na-feel mo the moment na nagpe-play ka at alam mong parang nagagawa mo ng mabuti yung piniplay mo?
Well, satisfying siya kasi alam mong nagawa mo yung part mo and you know na if ever lumabas man yung sound na create mo, alam mo hindi masakit sa tenga kasi nagawa mo ng mabuti.
Yes, the professionalism come to play the moment you play kasi syempre, the moment you come up in stage, kailangan ready ka na.
Yeah.
So, kailangan talaga practice daw.
Yes, of course. Pero hindi ko tinatanggal sa isip ko na i-enjoy yung moment that I'm playing. Kasi yung ibang mga banda dyan, di ba? Parang napakaseryoso nila sa craft nila. Parang times na kalimutan nilang mag-enjoy. Pero ako, siniseryoso ko siya in a part of enjoying.
So, there's what we call focus.
Yeah.
So, yan. So,
Itan pa si partner.
What pleasure comes when you hear people's compliments?
Oh, so yun, isa rin yun. Ano na feel mo pag, wow, Isidro, ang galing mo mag-gitara, ang galing mo, ganyan, ano. How does it feel?
Masarap. Masarap siya kasi alam na appreciate ng mga tao yung ginagawa mo. Pero syempre, hindi ko rin siya pinapahabol sa ulo kung baka biglang maging prideful.
so ganun. Parang pwede man sabihin, wow, go chicks! Come on girls! Ang galing ka mag-gitara. Pwede yun, di ba?
Hindi naman siya
Hindi
ganun.
naman nasa iyo.
Dapat yung music natin is ginagamit natin to guide other people in the right way. Not
Speaking
the
of
wrong
guide other people, how can
Ano relate music in life?
Yung buhay kasi natin, parang ano siya, level by level. Hindi pwedeng doon ka kaagad sa bridge. Hindi pwedeng doon ka kaagad sa chorus. Dapat sa buhay natin, we enjoy yung intro ng buhay natin, yung verse ng buhay natin, yung chorus, tsaka yung bridge. Kasi kung masyado tayo nagmamadali sa buhay natin, parang nasasayang yung every moment,
yun.
yung every precious moment na meron tayo. as a human being. So, dapat enjoy natin yun. Every part of it.
So, that's it. So, salamat Isidro, salamat sa time. Isidro is
Lead guitarist of a band, namely Arete Band. And every Friday and Sunday, lagi siyang tumutugtog. Siyempre, since I said na kaband kami, kasama kami kayo magtugtog. So, maraming salamat Isidro.
salamat
Salamat
sa time. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. So, that's all about Isidro Rabaca, a lead guitarist of Arete Band.
Inagaya ko sa Isidro eh.
Oo, bakit nga?
Kasi ang galing-galing niya.
Oo, magaling talaga si Isidro because you know, partner, the moment na nakikita kami ng bagong music, nakukuha niya agad.
Kabalo mo kasi siya eh.
Oo naman.
So ito, kaya alam ko.
Pero,
Ano?
ito,
Kuya lang ginagawa mo. Sumasayaw. Sumasayaw? Boom! Panis!
oh, bakit? Ikaw may kilala ka bang
Oo.
makakasayaw? Sino?
Ito, si Rialin Go. Rialin Go is a dancer. She knows how to dance since she is in elementary. She is now studying in Northwest Summer State University as a Bachelor of Science in Elementary Education. And now, she is a dancer and a member of a kinetic dance company.
Hello. We are here with Rayalen Go and we're going to have an interview with her pertaining to dancing. So, hello Rayalen, hello.
Hi.
Afternoon.
Kamusta ka? I'm fine.
Okay, so
So-
I think nandiyan na sa question. Give it.
So why you choose to indulge in dance?
I choose to engage in dancing because I think when I saw people dancing outside or inside the school, I think I have the capability to dance or like them.
Or to do
Thank
the
you.
steps. Kasi
Yes.
parang say, the moment you say they are dancing, parang nakakuha mo yung stepping. Parang
Yes.
ang dali naman
I
ito.
think.
So siguro it's an instinct in you na
Oh yeah.
parang nasa dugo ko to, kailangan ko sumayaw.
Siguro inborn.
Inborn na, so yun. So,
Second question.
paano naman, how does it feel kung, like for example, ngayon dancer ka na, di ba? Tapos the moment you dance, tapos na-feel mo na parang, wow, ang galing kong sumayaw, hindi ako nakaka-feel ng mistakes, hindi ako nakagawa ng pagkakamali sa mga steppings. Ano yung feeling na nagagawa mo ng perfect at maayos yung dance steps nyo?
I feel parang ano ba, comfortable ka kay
oo.
pag masaya mo na yung buong sayaw. Syempre hindi siya ganun kadali na parang
Oh, syempre. Oh.
parang syempre matagal yun.
Oh.
Kailangan
Kaya-
pa mag-rehearse.
Pero kailangan lang siguro ng focus, di ba? Focus the
Kailangan
moment you
talaga.
dance. You have to...
Flexibility of the body to dance that. Oh yeah.
So, ganun.
So, partner, hindi natin pagtagalin. Ito ang pangatlong question. How does it feel when people na narinig mo sila nga nagko-comment, especially kung maganda?
Oh, how does it feel? Wow, Rayalen, bro, ang galing mo sumayaw. Kahit babae ka, ang galing-galing mo talaga. Ano feeling nun?
Sa positive na way, syempre gadapi because
Sikat.
nice. Happy because
Siyempre, na-appreciate nila.
na-appreciate nila pinaghihirapan namin.
So, yun.
Thank you.
So, lastly, since dancer ka, we will ask you as to paano mo ba mai-relate yung dancing sa life? Parang anong importance ng dancing para sa life?
Importance of dancing in life. I think without dance, we can't express our feelings.
Kasi meron ganun, di ba?
Yes.
The way they express their feeling is through dancing.
Yeah.
Sa iba naman sa music, sa art. So, sa'yo, since you're a dancer, you're expressing
Dancing.
it through dancing. So, is that all?
Yes.
So,
Salamat.
salamat Rayalen. Thank you so much for your time. And that is Rayalen Go. And thank you so much.
dance member.
Wow, that's really good.
Yes, partner. You know, partner, magaling sumayaw sa reality.
Oh, bakit naman?
Kasi schoolmate ko siya dati nung high school ako. At na-amaze ako kapag nakikita ko siya. Nakikita ko siyang sumasayaw. At kahit na babae siya, ay kaya niya pa rin ang mga galaw ng kanila.
Of course naman partner, makapasok ka naman siya sa kinetic as a dance member, hindi siya magaling. Basta all we have to remember, mga dancers, kagaya namin, we need to have focus, of course, and at the same time, we need to have proper rehearsal para the moment we dance, we can easily have it without hesitations.
Para may kagaya rin tayo. So much for that. So ayan, narinig at napanood natin ang mga ganyan hidden talent sa piling naming artist.
Yes, partner, and we know for sure that you and we got something more from those interviews from artists,
Theater artist
music artists.
and dance artist.
Yes, and we hope that you learned something and you learned a lot from those artists.
Hanggang dito na lang po. So I'm Namjan Juarez,
And I'm Adam Senefumseno na nagsasabing,
artist here.
I feel like dancing tonight.